Welcome to 71 Wilce Drive, an incredibly spacious 4+2 bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms situated in a sought-after family-minded community of Central West Ajax. This exceptional home has a 2-car garage, a new glass porch enclosure, as well as a new entry door with sidelights, which opens into a sunken ceramic tiled foyer that has direct access from the garage. The main hallway is finished with quality laminate flooring that can also be seen in the living, dining, and family rooms, as well as in all 4 upper-level bedrooms. With an openness between them ideal for entertaining, both the living and dining rooms have large windows for abundant natural lighting, a rich color palette giving these spaces a beautiful sense of warmth and intimacy, while the dining room has the added elegance of a chandelier accented with a ceiling medallion. The family room and kitchen area are also open to each other, and both are filled with natural light through east-facing windows that also offer backyard views, while the family room additionally features the warmth of a wood-burning fireplace insert that has a stone hearth and is surrounded by floor-to-ceiling brick. The kitchen and its breakfast area feature luxury vinyl flooring, and this brightly lit and functional working space also features chocolate-colored cabinetry with incredible storage, including a large pantry area, a tiled backsplash, a stainless steel double sink, white appliances including dishwasher, oven with gas cooktop, and fridge with bottom-mount freezer, as well as direct access to the dining room with the convenience of a servery counter by the entryway. The sliding door walkout opens onto a recently updated raised deck that is perfect for year-round barbecuing, and with a lot size of 50 by 110 feet, the deck steps down to a nicely sized and fully fenced backyard with raised garden beds, a partially covered patio area, a storage shed, and 2 gated entries from the front yard. Off the main level hallway is a laundry room with washer, dryer, cabinetry storage, and a side door for access to the front and back yards, a powder room with a tiled floor and a pedestal sink, as well as the staircase to the lower level. A double coat closet is also found off the main hallway, and carrying to the upper level is a curved staircase finished with soft broadloom and a hardwood railing, with the cozy broadloom also flowing throughout the upper hallway. The secondary bedrooms all have good-sized windows for natural brightness, and the second bedroom located off the staircase landing has a walk-in closet, while the third and the very spacious fourth bedroom both have double closets. These bedrooms share use of a 5-piece washroom that features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, a window with frosted glass for privacy, as well as a wall-to-wall vanity with 2 drop-in basins. And just outside this washroom is a walk-in linen and storage closet with a window as well. Through a double-door entry is the very generously sized master suite. Showcasing a walk-in closet, 4 east-facing windows, and space for a sitting area by its turret-shaped wall. This bedroom's ensuite washroom features tiled finishes throughout, a shower area with glass door, a soaker tub, windows with frosted glass for privacy, a vanity with drop-in basins, as well as a water closet. This home also features extra attic insulation and new eaves troughs, while most of the windows throughout the home have blinds for light control and privacy. The lower level is fully finished, and the open space just off the landing offers both household storage and usage as a play or study area, with the remainder of the level a legal 2-bedroom apartment with its own separate entrance. Naturally bright and quite spacious, off the living room is a bedroom with a double closet, the kitchen and dining area features a built-into-the-wall pantry, a walkout entrance to the backyard, as well as a fridge, oven with gas cooktop, and a stainless steel double sink. While off the cozy den area is a coat closet, a linen closet, and a 4-piece washroom. And this apartment also features another storage closet across from the second bedroom, which has a double closet, as well as oversized above-grade windows in this bedroom and in the kitchen. Walking distance to Alexander Graham Bell Public and St. Patrick Catholic Elementary Schools, this home is also a short drive to École Ronald Marion, Cataraqui Public School, and Mother Teresa Catholic Elementary School for their French immersion programs, as well as being close to the Ajax GO station, shopping plazas, community and recreational facilities, and for access to Highway 401. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.